Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about mega developments in Montego Bay. And so much activity is happening in Montego Bay that we are going to focus on the mega hotels being built in Montego Bay. We will talk about projects like the Perimeter Road, the Pier, the Hip Strip in another video. Today we're just going to focus on 5 mega hotels being built in Montego Bay. Now, Montego Bay is the tourist capital of Jamaica. With the Sangster International Airport and the beaches, it has emerged as the tourist capital of Jamaica. So 5 mega hotels are being built down here. Now, the first one is the building we're looking at now. It's actually the Pinnacle. And they're building 4 towers at 28 floors, and 1 tower will be a hotel. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on these 5 hotels. Montego Bay, Jamaica's tourism capital, is undergoing one of the most significant development booms in modern history. Long known for its white sand beaches and hospitality sector, the city is now expanding into high-value urban residential and resort hubs supported by large-scale private investments. 5 major projects: the Pinnacle, Moon Palace, Hard Rock Hotel, Unico Hotel, and the AC Hotel are at the center of this transformation, setting the stage for a more sophisticated and globally competitive Montego Bay. The Pinnacle represents a major shift in Montego Bay's skyline. As one of the tallest and most modern residential developments proposed for the city, it symbolizes the rise of vertical urban living in Western Jamaica. Designed as a high-end mixed-use tower, it blends residential units with lifestyle amenities, potentially including restaurants, rooftop features, and commercial spaces. The Pinnacle signals that Montego Bay is evolving into more than a tourism destination. It is becoming a modern metropolitan center where professionals, investors, and returning residents can live in a cosmopolitan environment. Number 2, the Moon Palace. The Moon Palace brand, known for its large-scale and entertainment-rich resorts, continues to show interest in expanding its footprints in Jamaica. A major Moon Palace development in Montego Bay would further elevate Jamaica's luxury all-inclusive offering and attract visitors seeking a high-end experience close to the Sangster International Airport. The Moon Palace Bay Resort will contribute significantly to employment, training, and foreign investment, while also diversifying the tourism product with modern rooms, expansive pools, advanced entertainment, and attractions. The hotel will be the tallest building in Jamaica at 33 floors. Number 3, Hard Rock Hotel. The potential arrival of the Hard Rock Hotel is one of the most exciting developments for Montego Bay. Known worldwide for combining hospitality with music, entertainment, and nightlife, a Hard Rock resort would introduce a fresh tourism segment to Jamaica. This type of hotel attracts younger travelers, influencers, event organizers, and visitors seeking a vibrant, high-energy experience. With features such as live concert venues, themed decor, and globally recognized restaurants, Hard Rock would significantly expand Montego Bay's entertainment offerings and help modernize its resort landscape. The hotel is planned to be 22 floors and will include a casino. Number 4, Unico Hotel. Unico hotels bring a unique concept to the Caribbean. Luxury all-inclusive resorts that blend modern design with authentic local culture. A Unico development in Montego Bay would target high-end adults-only travel offering gourmet dining, spa services, locally inspired decor, and immersive experiences. Unico's presence would help shift Montego Bay towards a premium tourism model that prioritizes quality over quantity. Number 5. AC Hotel Montego Bay. Following the success of the AC Hotel Kingston, the planned AC Hotel Montego Bay reflects Jamaica's growing demand for business class accommodations in the western region. Montego Bay is not only a leisure destination, it is developing into a center for BPO operations, regional headquarters, conferences and events, medical and wellness tourism, and commercial expansion. An AC hotel in Montego Bay would support this economic diversification, offering modern rooms, conference spaces, and a metropolitan atmosphere that complements the city's evolving urban identity. The combined impact of these mega developments is transformative. The Pinnacle brings urban sophistication, Moon Palace strengthens luxury tourism, Hard Rock Hotel diversifies entertainment, Unico elevates curated adult luxury, and AC Hotel boosts business infrastructure. Together they signal a new chapter for Montego Bay, a chapter defined by modern architecture, global hotel brands, high-end residential offerings, and a strong and more diversified economy.